Hey there.
Hey, girl.
Can we go for a drive?
Okay,
this is
let's
just
move.
so me round here. We should blast on some food since we're here.
Let's do it.
Get your stupid ass.
Come on, buddy boy.
Can you take me home now? Take me away from all this.
Yeah, go on.
I'm losing patience fast.
I ain't just some hood rat, CJ.
Yeah, this is really interesting.
Bitch. CJ, it is so me.
Hey, what's
I'm
up?
a lady,
Where you
but I
from?
can fight. How about a little coffee?
Cool.
Kill me on the bench.
I love you, CJ.
I smoke 'cause it gives me a peace of mind.
Major label gone.
You know I can't bang bang. I ain't got to it just yet.
I got him under control.
Hey, Ken, how you doing?
Who is this?
It's Carl. Carl Johnson.
Hey, Carl! Great! Guys, it's Carl! Great! Fucking great! Fucking amazing!
I got a need for an accountant and a sound engineer, and I thought of you and Paul.
Fucking amazing! Paul's great with figures, and I'd make a fucking amazing producer. This is fucking great! It's amazing!
Yeah, whatever you say, man. But look, see you soon.
Fucking amazing!
I invented all.
what's up? It's your brother.
Hey, what's up, man? You okay?
Not really. I'm stuck in a cell between two lunatics. And people keep trying to jump me. This shit ain't cool, partner. You looking after Kendall?
Nah, she looking after me.
Right. That's cool.
I'ma get you out of there, though, man.
No, you ain't, nigga. Who you think you are? I'm in for life. I guess I've grown used to it now.
No, you not, man. I'm working shit out. Whatever it take.
That's a negative. I'm through hoping. Have a nice life, brother.
Hold on, man. I'm getting shit worked out for you. Just hang in there. Sweet. Shit. Hello?
Hey, Carl, my boy.
Mr. Leone.
Everybody's talking about the job you did on that St. Mark's Bistro.
Thank you, Mr. Leone.
And you took care of those 3 loose ends?
Yeah, those poor saps ran into a little trouble along the way. You won't be hearing from Mr. Rosenberg again.
Good boy. Now listen, you're gonna have to keep a low profile or people will start to make connections. So let's keep our distance for a while, huh? I'll call you.
Thank you, Mr. Leone. Hello?
Hey, CJ, what's up with you? Are we doing this heist or have you gone soft on me again?
Hey, check it. Them fools been shipped out of the Venturas. Salvatore think I'm cool, so it's on. I'll meet you back at the Dragons.
Okay, cool. Later.
Catalina, is that you again?